Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your shopping settings in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load, but it's okay. And here in the shop menu, we go into the top left corner, the three lines, we tap on those. And here we go into settings. And in settings, in the middle, there is shopping settings. We tap on those. And here we can edit our preferences. For example, if you want to buy women's or men's clothes, you can select it here. And additionally, you can select other options too. Here you can select your shoe size, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.